Cleanliness Drive Swachh Bharat mission completes 10 years. Initiated in 2014 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the mission is one of the most significant mass movements for cleanliness in the world. Prime Minister Modi will launch and lay the foundation stone now for several projects related to sanitation and cleanliness to mark the occasion.
At the landmark event of Swachh Bharat Divas 2024, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch and lay the foundation stone for several sanitation and cleanliness projects. These projects collectively worth over $960 million. It includes initiatives under Amrut and Amrut 2.0, the National Mission for Clean Ganga and the Govardhan Scheme.
मोदी जी का सपना है, उनका एक टारगेट भी है कि विकसित भारत बनाना है। विकसित भारत के सपने को साकार करने के साथ साथ देश में स्वच्छता का भी संदेश जाना चाहिए। इसीलिए स्वाभाविक रूप से ये कार्यक्रम 10 साल जब पूर्ण करने के समय पर एक बहुत अच्छे माहौल के साथ जो अपनी पूर्णता की ओर जा रहा है। अभी तो काम करना बाकी है, बहुत सा काम हुआ है। उस काम में क्वालिटी में भी हम और सुधार हो जाए और टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग हो जाए, उसके लिए हम सब कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Among these, over $680 million will go towards improving urban water and sewage systems under Amrut and Amrut 2.0. Additionally, $155 million will be dedicated to enhancing water quality and waste management in Ganga basin areas. As part of the National Mission for Clean Ganga, the Prime Minister will also inaugurate 15 compressed biogas plants, projects worth approximately $133 million under the Govardhan Scheme, all aimed at boosting sanitation and clean energy initiatives.
Sanitation started as a journey towards becoming open defecation free. There is very significant change that has happened in people's behavior and in a sustainable manner. The emphasis is on overall solid and liquid waste management. A lot of work is going into proper management of fecal sludge at treatment facilities, STPs, FSTPs, etc.
The Swachh Bharat program will highlight India's decade-long achievements in sanitation and cleanliness, as well as the outcomes of the recent Swachhta Hi Seva campaign. This year's theme, Swabhav Swachhta, Sanskar Swachhta, continues to resonate with millions across the country, emphasizing both personal responsibility and cultural values in maintaining cleanliness. With these new projects and an unwavering commitment to cleanliness, India is setting the stage for the next phase of Swachh Bharat mission, ensuring that the movement continues to thrive and inspire. Kriti Vadhera's report for DD India.